Today I want to share with you some tips from my friend Bob. We call him Farmer Bob because he has the greenest thumb of anybody I know. His vegetable garden produces so many vegetables, especially tomatoes. And look at this. Look at all the tomatoes he gets. And then he likes to make tomato sauce. Well, if you live in this area and you're Italian, you say gravy. So he's got some tips on how to get more tomatoes from your plants, how to keep their branches from breaking when they're heavy with tomatoes, and he's got a natural remedy he uses in his garden to fight off the bugs. Farmer Bob also has tips on when to pick your tomatoes so you get them first before the pests. Now, we already know that tomatoes like to be in a very sunny spot, full sun, at least 6 hours a day. They like a nice even amount of water. They don't want to be underwatered because your tomatoes come out bad when they're underwatered. It's always good to put a layer of mulch, maybe about 2 inches, around your tomato plants to keep the beds moist. We also know that tomatoes like slightly acidic soil. And look at this garden. This garden is beautiful. He's got all kinds of vegetable plants in there. And he always makes this beautiful border around the garden with beautiful cutting flowers and wildflowers. And look at the colors. It's just magnificent.
The tomatoes.
Oh, the tomato.
All 36 of them.
8.
38.
Yay.
Who's counting? So what are those brightly colored things on the tomato cages? Pool noodles. You can cut them easily with an X-Acto knife.
Where's your noodles, guys? They're still there. They're just underneath the flower or the plants now. Now, as they grow up, I'll move them. Like that one, I got to move over there. I put them on the branches that have fruit on them. They have that way when they get heavy, they don't. You see, like.
He says it's not a weight program.
I can show you. When they get heavy, they lay like this, but when they're on a sharp edge, they break.
Yep.
But if you put them on a round edge, they fold over.
Yep.
Like this. It sounds crazy, but it works.
It works. It looks good too.
Here's a celery.
As soon as we get eggplant on.
I just did a couple hours of it before you guys got here.
What?
I'll show you a trick for tomatoes. See this? This is this blossom that's gone. It's almost ready to fall off, but sometimes they get hidden and they dry up on the
Yeah.
and then they don't grow tomato. So what you do is you just twist it back and forth. There's your tomato.
That's cool. Okay.
Now that will be a tomato. But the trick is I walk around every morning getting these things off.
So cute.
But you can't take it like that. It's got to be closed up.
Oh, it's closed up and then it's ready to be.
See, like now you don't mess with that. That's not ready. Don't mess with them. Only when they're closed up like that. See how that's a little. Still a little bit too soon.
Okay.
Let me find another one. That's a double. That's 2 tomatoes.
That keeps them busy, huh?
The flowers, the whole thing falls off. And then you don't
right.
get
So you lose the tomato.
Now that'll grow.
Yeah.
So you spend about an hour every morning pinking them. And some people don't, and then they wonder why they don't get tomatoes.
Bud. Good boy. That's good. So, Bob, what's the best time to pick your tomatoes?
Blush.
Blush.
Serious, blush. Then you put them on the table and let them ripen. If you let them ripen on the vine, then the bugs get them. You have a beautiful tomato, and then you turn it around, it's got a nice worm in it. I lost track of what was what, so I don't know what it is.
It's a surprise.
Yeah, it's a
Surprise pepper.
Fresno, it could be a Serrano, it could be...
I mean, I know my mother had it, and I know my mother fell, and I know she broke her hip.
There's two more types in here. There's a couple of shot peppers already, I don't know what they are.
I'm scared to death, but I would be too.
I believe.
Oh, yeah.
That pepper plant will be up here for long.
Hi, Bud. Hi. Yeah, they're just little guys now. Mm-hmm.
I need some bees for these beans. I had to spray these with the soap stuff. I was telling Angela I use it's true soap. It's not industrial detergent.
Mm-hmm.
And it gets the bugs. But it doesn't hurt the plants. If you use the industrial detergent, it kills the bugs, but it kills the plants too.
Pure. Oh, Castile soap.
Yeah, but it makes great insecticide.
I gotta get it again.
Mix 1 tablespoon of Castile soap in 1 quart of water. Mix 5 tablespoons of Castile soap in 1 gallon of water for a larger batch.
Because it goes in the leaves, not into the plant soil, no.
We can, it won't hurt it.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna spray it on them.
It'll get the bug,
I am definitely gonna spray
it'll get
it.
the larvae on the ground.
Yeah? Oh.
Either that or you can use neem oil. The neem oil is
Yeah, neem
another one.
oil, it's another one. Okay, I'm gonna see what my insecticidal soap
I bought some
contains.
neem oil because I was getting, they're called cucumber beetles. They're all over the place. They were.
You got rid of them?
Yeah.
With this?
Neem oil.
Neem oil.
I tried this and I tried neem oil. I don't know which one worked, but you have to get it quick or you might as well just pull the crop. The cucumber beetle is a nasty bug.
What's it look like? Is it a black bug or a brown bug?
It looks like a ladybug, only it's a little longer and it's got stripes on it.
Oh, I haven't seen that.
Yeah, if you see it, do something about it quick.
All right.
They're very invasive.
Oh, that's easy. I had that for a long time. I might still have some. So I'll put it in a spray bottle.
And this works. I spray it all around the house for ants, whatever.
That's
You
a good idea.
You can't
No,
hurt,
it's
you can't
so
hurt anything.
pure.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
That's amazing. Oh my God, I can't believe that.
It's gorgeous. Thanks for watching. I hope you got a few good tips to get more out of your tomato plants. Don't forget to subscribe for gardening tips and to follow my progress in the cutting flower garden I'm putting in. Cheers.